National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Owsley County, Northwestern Leslie County, Northwestern Perry County, Southwestern Breathitt County, Northeastern Clay County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Panco, or 11 miles northwest of Hyden, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Shoal around 4:05 p.m. Confluence around 4:10 p.m. Krypton around 4:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Hazard. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Breathitt, Clay, Leslie, Owsley, and Perry.